Today out here we've been using a combination of a few different baits, and really I have 3 different rods set up based off of really depth. And the first one I'll start out with is really a staple in wing dam fishing, which is the money badger. In particular, this is the 625 money badger, one of my favorites. It basically dives roughly to 10 feet, but you know, this is basically my 5 to 6 foot range down to that 10 foot. So my shallowest rod that I'm gonna have. But the money badger does a great job of getting down quick. With the bill that's on here, it dives deep and achieves its depth really fast, which is important for a river casting bait, especially for wing dams. So this is gonna be my shallowest version. My next deepest diving crankbait that I'm gonna utilize is the Berkeley Dime. Now this is a very overlooked bait, I should say, in crankbait fishing, because this bait here casts so well, so far, and obviously goes deep. This is the Dime 10, and so it's gonna get to 10 foot very easily, but basically like 12 feet with fire line. So this in the number 10 is basically my deep mid-range rod. Now lastly, a bait that's been getting a lot of play for me right now is a lipless bait in this Berkeley Jack. This is the number 6 size, which is a 1/2 ounce. You know, it's a very good river bait. You can see how thin this bait is here. Very little resistance, cuts the current well, but this bait allows me to fish basically as deep as I want. And so this is a very overlooked bait for the river system, especially in those warmer water ones, but it's very similar to a blade bait, which really shines in the spring and the fall.